friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will unbox this tripod. I was looking for one tripod to shoot my videos, so I bought this from Amazon at $369. Let's look into this. In this, we will get one tripod and one mobile holder. Some quick features are given over the box. This is a 3-way pan head. How it's 3-way pan head I will show you. 4-section leg, quick lever lock, rubber leg tip. In folded condition, it's a 350 mm, and when we will extend this, it will come out to 1020 mm. It's very long and weight is just a 420 gram, so it's very lightweight. So we will look into these features. It's made up of aluminum alloy. It's very lightweight, and this length is 350 mm, so you can carry it in the bag. And it's a 4-section leg. I will show you how it's 4-section leg. First, look into its head. Lots of attachments are given here, so we'll attach mobile holder first. So the mobile holder is extend from 5.4 cm to 8.8 cm. Means up to 8.8 cm width mobile you can attach into this. So you can rotate this head in any angle. So the knobs are given. This knobs is given, so you can use it as a landscape mode or a portrait mode like this. One more knob is given here, so you can rotate this in a 360 degree. So you are shooting one video or clicking photos, so you won't get any disturbance. So you simply rotate this lever. So the legs are of rubber pad, and it's a 4-section. 3 sections are given here. I will show you up to full extent. And one more knob is given here to extend this middle leg. So one more leg is given here, middle, and 3 are here. You can see how quickly it's releases. So very quick. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Total 5 sections. So you can use like this. It's very nice, very strong, lightweight, and you can attach your digital camera to this also. The legs you can adjust individually, so that on uneven surface also you can adjust the level of this. To adjust the level, one spirit level is given. Spirit level indicator is given, so that to make sure that the surface is plane. So this is a very nice at 369. I like it the most, and from now onwards I will use this to shoot my videos. Thank you for watching.